What's up, guys? I'm doing a pack opening. I don't know what else to say. Let's just get into it. Nothing in that pack. It's a little slow. Let's go back and put in the pack. It's being really slow today, I don't know why. What else? Jared Allen, 78. Contract, Dave Hunter, Josh Freeman, something. Nothing so far. Come on, something in this back. Yeah, it's alright. Another garbage gold. No, can't always get amazing things. Justin Smith, MUT Stadium, Dallas Reynolds, Jermaine Grissom, garbage. Oh my god, can't get anything going. I'm gonna reveal all in this pack. Hopefully something could come out. Of course. Nope, never mind. And 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. I'll probably be giving this away since I have like a million. Just sounds to my reserves right now. Of course. What else we go with? Man, EA Sports must really hate me. They can't even give me anything in this. This is terrible. One squads. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Wait, no, never mind. This is probably the worst. Didn't even get an elite yet. I'm only gonna get one at least. This can't get. Oh my god. This is so bad. I can't even freaking get anything started. Garbage. I'm gonna be going backwards, so I'm gonna try to reveal all from the back and see what I get. Nothing. There's garbage. Oh my gosh, this is so terrible. Terrible. Terrell Tom. I better get something good in that elite bundle topper. MUT Stadium. And Steven Tolich. And nothing. Not a surprise. Alden Smith. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a good card, and I knew I would get something good if I didn't get anything in the rest of the pack. Alright, what's going on here? There's my friend. Come on. What? There we go. Probably gonna do it in another 10 minutes. Matthew Daniels, Kyle Orton, contract, Chargers Stadium, coach, Ladarius Green, Heath Miller, Wrestling, and Elvis Timberville. Didn't you know he went on the Ravens? Last pack before the bundle topper. Contract. Coach O'Brien Schofield, Stuart Bradley, whatever, Tom Brady, Ryan Williams, Ram Stadium, Andy Reid, and PJ Roger. Alright, come on, last pack. Let's go. 95, Marshawn Lynch. Okay, that's probably amazing. Yeah, that's probably a really good card, and I might have to trade him in for my Walter Payton. I'm gonna go look him up. How much he's worth. If this would hurry up, this would be awesome. Come on, Jesus. Alright. Let's go. This is so annoying. And they have premium packs, which I didn't even notice. I would have gotten one of those. Search auctions. Let's see what he's worth. Hopefully something. Alright, so not too bad. So, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more.